Hi, boys and girls. So, we're going to talk a little bit more about angles today. So, we discussed last week that angles are made up of line segments, lines, or rays that meet at one endpoint and form an angle. But we didn't really talk about what that meant, what that looks like, or how they're measured. So, today we're going to learn about that angles can be measured. And usually if we were at school, you guys would all be getting these really cool tools called protractors. But because we're not at school and we don't expect that you have a protractor just lying around your house, I'm going to insert some pictures and videos of them. So here's a protractor. Now, there's some things you need to notice about a protractor. One thing is that there are two sets of numbers. So if you start on this side, you'll notice that it starts with a 0. And if we follow this, what it's called the outer scale, because they're the outer set of numbers, it starts at 0 and goes to 180. Okay, so this is called the outer scale, the outer set of numbers, because there's two sets of numbers on a protractor, and these ones are on the outside. So here's the 0 is here, and here's 180. It's also important to note that when we measure angles, we measure them in degrees. I know you're probably thinking, oh, we measure the temperature in degrees too, like it's 72 degrees. It's a great day to be outside. But this is also something that we measure with degrees, not necessarily hot or cold degrees, but we will say, oh, this angle is 90 degrees, or it measures 110 degrees based on the inner or outer scale. So this is our outer scale.